I actually don't have that much left to show you, but there's still a few little things that I'm definitely going to go over. So, in today's video, what we're going to be doing is we are going to be working on how to make, or how to, I guess, use the proper heading and the proper subhead along with captions. So, this is really important. And I know that you're probably thinking, well, why is it important what header we use? Isn't it just like, a font? Well, it's kind of more complicated than that. So each page needs to be uniform. And if you don't know what that means, it means each page needs to be somewhat similar. In the past, aka my sophomore year, the yearbook was glow. I'm sure that you guys remember. And each page in it was different. And at the time, I was actually not the editor, so I had no say. And each page was different, and it didn't look good. So starting my junior year, we started to do each page uniform, just like Miss Harvey used to do. But, we did it like a different way, if that makes any sense at all. So basically, each page needs to have similarities, and this year it's going to be the header on each one. Each header needs to be in the same font, the same size, and the same location. And each subhead also needs to be in the same size, and all the captions need to be in the same size and font, blah, blah, blah. So, I actually have a lot of pages done, but let's do the homecoming page. I'm not going to do it, I'm just going to show you guys. So basically, you guys are starting with a blank spread. Now, if you watch the page design one that I made, like the intro page design, you know that you should probably start with the header. It's pretty important. So since this year we are extending all of our pages to this dotted line instead of the purple line, you're going to click on this little text tool thing. See, third one down. And you're going to use this line tool and line it up with the dotted line. And then you're going to make, I'm uneven. Then you're going to make a box that expands out to this side. There, that's good enough. See how it's lined up in the middle there and there? It makes it easier when centering it. I'll explain that later. But you make your text box, and this is for the header. All caps, okay? You just write whatever, soccer, homecoming, basketball, tennis, whatever. And then you go down here to the bottom and see this little thing that says select style. Well, you click on it. You highlight this. You go down here and you click on the header. See where it says header? It's pretty easy to find. You click on it, you're done. You center it, and you have a header. That's literally all that goes into it. And I could probably, sorry, there's sirens outside. But anyway, I could probably do this for you, but this year we're also extending to the top dotted line. So I like to move the header up, just so it's like right on the dotted line, so we could maximize our space in the book. Okay, so now that we have our header, it's time for the subhead. If you don't know what a subhead is the words, line, phrase even, that goes under the header. So last year on the homecoming page, I actually did the homecoming page, and I think it said like a night under the stars. So we're just going to do that again, because I don't feel like coming up with one since we're not having homecoming this year. Very sad about it. Okay. And this is something that when I first was starting out with eDesign really messed me up. So when you start typing, it's going to be in the header or whatever font they use last. So look, I could click subhead, click on this, start typing, and it's going to go back to header. So what you got to do is you need to just type it out. So a night, headers are all lowercase. They don't even have capitalization. under the stars. And it might not all fit, which is completely okay. You highlight it, Command A, go down to here like we did before and click subhead. And then it'll change. And see how, like I said before, if you line it up to both of these lines, the middle line and this first dotted line on the left, then you don't even need to worry about centering it because it's already centered. See? Oopsies. Oopsies. It's already centered, so you don't even need to worry about centering it. And yeah, that is literally it on how to use the text. But I guess let's do a caption. So caption, it's the same exact thing. You make a picture box, delete the words, type whatever you want, highlight all, go down to here. Do not use this one. This one is not the correct one. I can't get it to remove off eDesign. I'm the one who like puts these here, but I can't get it to delete. It says it's like there by default, so I can't do it. So you gotta click the one that says the 2021 caption, okay? Love this caption. It does look a little small at first, but seriously, like, it's not. Like, this is how like a name would look underneath a quote. I think that's perfect. Perfect size. Love it. So yeah, but you need to make sure that you're keeping everything the same size. Don't make anything bigger than it has to be. Just keep it how it is. Just once you highlight all, then click one of these. Just keep it how it is. Do not like mess around with the fonts or anything. There's no need. So yeah, that's how to do everything. Well, everything involving fonts, headers, and subheads, and captions. Let's not forget about the captions. Okay. Yeah,